So let me show you how it works. So it's in its own bag. So it's just a simple piece of Velcro. Unzip it. Just slip it off the edge. And it pops out. So the bag is attached, so you don't lose it or leave it in the car like we did at a music festival in Newport, Rhode Island. So the bag rolls up, fits in this little space, gets it out of the way so it's not flapping the back of your legs. So the inside attaches just like a simple backpack. Slip it on. One center buckle, snaps, can adjust it. Tighten down the waist here. You have all this. You can open it up to allow more airflow. And you can, of course, drop this down to be more around your waist. If the weather's really nasty, you can close this up. And to keep all of the nasty weather out, it's all tights down. To get out of it, you're just one buckle and you're out.